In this ArcGIS 9 demonstration, we're going to show how to use a crosshatch pattern fill with a hollow background to create an overlay of one layer so that you can display the symbology at the same time for two overlapping layers. What I have here is two shape files that are duplicates of each other, and the attribute table for both look like this. And in one layer we want to display the site fields, and in the other one we want to display the C type, which is the true cover type field. So I'll just close that table. I already have my cover types colored, and I already have the site classes covered, but we can't see them both at the same time. And if I turn off the site class, you'll then be able to see the cover types beneath. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a fill pattern with a hollow background here, or a cross hatching for this symbology in this layer, so that we can still see the other one beneath it. When using this, you're best off to use a black cross hatching lines with a hollow background. If you were to use colors for your cross hatching, and if the colors happen to be the same as some of the colors in your layer beneath, well, then you're going to not be able to see that cross hatching. Again, you could use color in your cross hatching if you want to, but black and white seems to work the best. So to begin with, we'll just click on the symbol for site class 1, and for our fill color we're going to pick a pattern. Now, some of the patterns you see on my screen I've built myself, so they won't show up on yours. So we can scroll down and we'll see some cross hatching at the bottom here. And we'll start with this simple cross hatching here, and you see the color is gray already, but it's just the gray background of the window here. It's actually a hollow fill on the back, and we'll just click OK. And for site class 1, we can now see the cover type and the site class at the same time. So we'll do the same for 2 here. And we'll scroll back to the bottom, and we're going to grab the same one this time. I'm going to show you how to alter this so that it's a little bit different looking than the other. So we're just going to go to properties for that symbol, and once in here we can fool around with the angle of those lines. We can also go to the line itself and increase the thickness of those lines. You can fool around with the offset, and you can increase the separation if you want. So there's a number of things you can do in order to change that. We could keep changing the angle until it was basically a 45-degree angle in the opposite direction. And we'll go OK. And for site class 3, this time we'll pick a different fill pattern. So I'll just scroll down to the bottom here. Pick this one. It has a white background. So I'll go to properties and fill properties, background here. I'll pick no color or hollow, click OK, and now you can see that we have no color in the background here, and go OK, and that'll now be applied. And here it is here. So maybe they're not the best symbols, but it shows you what kind of choices you have.